What's up, guys? Your girl Dear Dama. I'm back to bring you guys another video. I missed you guys oh so much, but your girl is back. I'm back to bring you guys an unboxing video as always. Well, before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment, question, whatever you want to leave. Also follow me on my Instagram account and my Snapchat. Not really, because I don't really post on Snap, but you follow me on there anyway. The information will be at the end of the video. This is a basic pickup. I got a pair of Vans, and honestly I got them in the wrong size, but it's whatever, you know. I usually get a 6, but I got these in a 6.5 because that was the only size that they had left, and I really wanted these, so I'm like, fuck it, a half size, I could do it, it's alright. But these are the Sk8 highs. As I said, I got them in a 6.5 in men's. These are the classic Tumble Vans. These from a new website. I ordered them, well, new to me. They're not new, but they're new to me. I ordered these sneakers from Sk8 USA, and might I add, like, shipping was super fast. Everything's super dope. I definitely will be ordering from them again if they're still available. I'll link this specific pair down below, and they also have a white pair. I'll insert a little picture or something of them. They have a white pair that's also dope, so make sure you guys head over to Sk8 USA to cop all of your, you know, sneaker needs. Dope site. But let's get into my pickup. These are what they look like. These shits are super fire. These are what they look like. I like these because the uppers are all leather. Like, I think that's so fire. They're very basic, black and white. The uppers are all leather instead of the canvas suede, I believe, that the other ones are. They're all leather, and I love that it has the big block letters of Vans going across the back. I think that, like, gives them a super cute touch. Then you have the all white midsole. Ugh, these are so tight. You got the all white midsole with the gum bottoms. I'm so in love with these Vans. Like, these Vans go hella hard. Like, they go hella hard, for real, for real. Like, the detailing on these are amazing. Like, you got the block letter Vans going across the back. All black laces. Open them up. On the inside, it's just plain black with the Vans on the inside. So I got these for the super duper steal. These were only $50. Like, I can't beat that, being that these are what I was kind of sort of looking for. But yeah, I got these for $49.97, basically $50. And I'm super happy with this pickup. I love these because if you want to add a pop of color, you can always swap out the laces and add like a colorful lace, or you can leave them plain. You could wear this with a basic ass outfit. You could wear it with a loud outfit. It's so, like, it's so many endless possibilities of how you can wear these sneakers, being that they're so basic, but they also make a statement on their own, if you get what I'm saying. If these are still available, I'll link these down below, and I'll also link the white and black pair. So it's basically the reverse of these. This part is white and the block letters are actually black, but it's basically the same thing. But this is my little super dope all leather Sk8 high pickups. I'm in love with these. If you know me, you know I love black everything. Black is like the best. I know it's not a color, but it's a shade. Black is the best shade in the world. I fucking love black. Like, I love black. But that's it for my little Vans Sk8 high unboxing. Make sure you guys hit that subscription button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for always rocking with me. I definitely appreciate all of you guys who subscribe, who leave comments, who follow me on my other social media accounts. I appreciate you guys. So keep being amazing, and I will see you in my next video.